In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to play the piano accompaniment for I Just Might by Bruno Mars in its original key. The song doesn't have a lot of chords, so it's easy to learn. To start, here's middle C for our reference. The song is in the key of F major with only one flat, B flat. We begin the song with F major, played 4 times, with F on the left, and A, C, and F played together on the right. We will play this 4 times like so for the first bar. Now what's nice about this song is that it's easy to learn because this section is played throughout most of the song, which is alternating between 2 chords with some rhythmic pattern. So the first chord is F major, which we learned. Next is G minor 7, with G on the left, and G, B flat, D, and F on the right. So F major and G minor 7. Now that we know the chords, we're going to learn the rhythm. We'll go over the left hand first. For F major, we'll play F, F, and C, and we'll repeat that. For G minor 7, we'll play G, 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 D, D, G. Let's repeat that again. And one more time. Now, with hands together, we have this. Keep practicing this rhythm because we'll be using this a lot in the song. This chord progression is repeated twice for the turnaround. This chord progression is also repeated 4 times for the verse and pre-chorus sections. To add some variation to your playing, I suggest playing 1 octave higher on your right hand when you play the second verse and pre-chorus sections, so that you're not repeating the same thing as before. Now for the pre-chorus section, after playing the chord progression 4 times, we transition into the chorus by using passing note like so. On our left hand, we'll play G, A flat, and A. So with hands together, we have G minor 7, A flat, and into our chorus with A minor 7, with A on the left and G, C, and E on the right. Let's try that again. And with our chorus, we'll play A minor 7, G minor 7, and we play this 3 times. As an option, instead of using a passing note, we can use a passing chord like so. So that is G minor 7 and our passing chord A flat minor 7 with A flat on the left and G flat, B, and E flat played together on the right. And then we land on A minor 7, which is the start of our chorus. Let's play that again, transitioning from pre-chorus to chorus. For the last part of the chorus, we have this. Let's break that down. So we have G minor 7, A minor 7, B flat major with B flat on the left, and F, B flat, and D on the right. Then we'll keep our right hand the same and move our left hand to C, giving us B flat over C chord. From here, we end on F major, which is the start of the next turnaround. So that's G minor 7, A minor 7, B flat major, B B flat over C, and F major. Let's play from the pre-chorus to the end of the chorus. Here we stay on B flat over C for a longer time, so you can play different inversions of B flat over C. And the interlude section is almost the same as the chorus, except we play A minor 7, G minor 7 5 times instead of 3 times before going into A minor 7, B flat major, and B flat over C. Finally, for the interlude section, I like to roam my fingers like this while I'm playing the chords. If you like Bruno Mars, you'll love these next 2 tutorials.